Lovely.
I'm Chatuni.
I'm Naveen,
My name is Akshat.
and we are here to present our Peecha Kucha presentation on sustainability marketing and Toyota's success story. In this presentation, we will be talking about the concepts of sustainability and Toyota's success story on how it has integrated with sustainability marketing. Okay. So, what is sustainability marketing? When a marketing strategy involves profit to the company, the environment, and the society, it is what is sustainability marketing. Why practice sustainability marketing? Because it is pushed by the employees to do so, it is pushed by the investors, and the society accepts more of sustainability products. The consumers are satisfied using sustainability products. The competition is high because other firms involve sustainability in their firms, and the government gives subsidies to firms that use sustainability. When would sustainability marketing practice be of necessity? It is when the needs of the customers are to be met with the needs of the business. This gives more profit to the firm as well as the consumers. So how to practice sustainability? So the traditional mix goes with the product, pricing, place, and promotions. And the sustainability marketing mix goes with the customer solution, where the business addresses to each customer's solution. So they take in the problems faced by the customers and then they come up with the solution for it. Then the customer price. So the customer price is mostly involved with more of analysis on how much a customer is willing to pay for the product, how much the customer values for the product and stuff. And the convenience, how convenient is the product, easily accessible to the consumers, and the communication.
How the product is communicated to the customer, how the product is accepted by the customer is how the communication is done.
Marketing, and we will analyze on the case study of Toyota Motor Corporation, and we analyze whether the company's marketing strategy comply with this principle. Okay, the first one is the consumer-oriented marketing, which is the principle that the company should organize its marketing strategy from the customer point of view. In order to market a product into the target customer, the company must understand their consumer and their needs and wants. So from the customer point of view, Toyota is constructed different marketing programs that make their customer to be well instructed about their product. The company also consider consumer first as the key principle of the company philosophy. Following that, they conducting surveys and also focus on proper training to the employees so that they can understand their customer and deliver the best service to their customer. The next one is the consumer value marketing, which is the principle that the company should put more of its resources into the customer value marketing investment. Toyota spend a lot of efforts in research and development area. There is an interesting fact about the company that the company had the highest number of global patents in the auto industry. Annually, they spend $9 billion in research and development. And at time, the company pushed as much as $1 million every hour just into research. In 2016, it established the Toyota Research Institute, and this institute has a partnership with several universities. This operation did make a lot of value to be incorporated in the company product to make the larger value for their customer. The companies also spend a large proportions of its revenue into other areas that create better value for their customers, such as education, conservation, safety, and disaster relief. So it is certain that the company understand how important to create the value for their customer and then capturing the value to make the value for the company. And the next one is the sense of mission marketing, which is the principle that the company should define its mission in a pro-social term rather than in some narrow products. In case of Toyota, they define its mission, the long-term vision, as ensures visuals and sophisticated as a tree to symbolize roots to fruit. Okay, the roots of the tree represent for the company principle, which is the foundation for the growth and stability of the company. The approach of the tree represent for always better cause and enriching life of community. the chunks of the tree represent for the pace of the business with sustainable growth, profitability, and local employment. So the company activities operation will follow the pattern to ensuring growth by following the circle. Always make better car and then enriching the lives of community and then strengthen and is supported by the stable base of the business.
Now we'll be focusing on societal marketing. And as you can see, there are three aspects to societal marketing, namely society, consumers, and the company. And Toyota is seemingly a very societal marketing friendly organization. And for example, we can take the Prius into consideration, which is a hybrid vehicle, so it's very eco-friendly, as well as being very good at customer satisfaction, and it provides the company with a lot of profitability. Toyota is very innovative in its marketing aspects, and as you can see, they started the Toyota Mobility Program. And over here we have the Sienna minivan, which is very handicap accessible, as well as the Toyota Well Cab, and they give reimbursement fees of up to $1,000 for the disabled and their family. Toyota is very easily accessible and convenient. It is found in over 170 countries, and over here we have all the 51 manufacturing plants in over 28 countries represented on the map.
Now we look at the graphs stating that evidence of Toyota's success through sustainable marketing. There are two aspects over here, the passenger cars and the truck and buses. We can see gradually during a span of 75 years, the passenger cars have a gradual increase in the graph, and also looking at the trucks and buses, they have a gradual increase, the highest being in 2008. The next graph here we see the evolution of Toyota, the car called Toyota. The first car was built in 1966, which was in Japan, and they on their 10th generation, as in they have 10 generations, they sell their 10 generations globally, and increasing sales of Corolla implicate their addition of novel and varied features. Hybrid vehicles, since Chatuni explained that are a huge success. Toyota has a great plan to expand the product line in 2050, basically to make it totally hybrid in 2050, and its main aim is to decrease its carbon emission by 2050, comparing it to 2010. Here's a graph where it shows that Toyota's hybrid vehicle sales, comparing with other countries, Japan has been the highest, followed by North America and rest other countries. This is a comparison graph where we see a share price performance of between Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, where we can see Toyota has a gradual increase at the end of 2017, and if you see on the earnings graph, Toyota has moved way forward in front of Nissan, so which states that Toyota excels in each of the fields, be it share price and earnings. And to conclude, we can say that Toyota has been able to increase the sales of its hybrid vehicles while maintaining and improving its sales, be it a Corolla, be it another car. Thus, the sustainable marketing was a success.